In this video, we will discuss entering courses. Let's begin in the section titled Core Coursework Entry under the Enter Coursework tab. The Core Coursework Entry section is a standard default and will look the same for every student. If you have courses that are required for you to take, such as 4 years of English, this is an easy way to add them. Click on the green pencil to begin. At the top, you will verify how most of your courses are graded. When you selected high school in the previous video, you indicated how often you received final grades. This section on the Enter Coursework tab defaults to what you selected earlier. Next, you will see 5 academic sections: English, Mathematics, Science, History, Social Studies, and World Language. You'll keep the blue check mark for each of the classes you completed, or remove it for the ones you did not or will not take. We're going to provide an overview of each column in the next portion of this video and show you how to add individual courses with an example. As you will see, courses are listed by subject, and we'll start with English. Assuming you did not vary from the standard 4 years of high school English, you can keep all 4 blue boxes checked. When the name of the course on your transcript is different than the listing under course name, you will enter it as it appears on your transcript under the exact course title section. We will show you an example shortly. The course taken section indicates when you completed the course. Did you take it in 9th grade, 10th grade, and so on? English is the only subject that will be automatically selected for you. As you may take math, social studies, or science in a different order than someone else, you will need to select it for each additional section. If you completed 2 semester courses for English for 1 year, uncheck that year and we'll show you how to enter an individual course later. For course level, this is where you indicate the rigor of the class: standard, accelerated, college prep, honors, AP, etc. If a level is not listed with your class on your transcript, always choose standard. Next, you'll see course length, which you can also change later, but will default to what you indicated as your most common when you entered your high school. And lastly, you will enter the grade you received. All senior year courses should be listed as in progress. And don't forget, you can still edit this later. Work your way down the list, including all standard courses that apply to your transcript, unchecking the blue box or adding a blue box as needed. Again, the course name is the general subject topic. The exact course title is what is written on your transcript. For classes you do not see, we will show you how to add them individually later. But first, let's practice using a real example for one course subject. Take a look at the transcript on the right side of the screen. For years 2016 to 2017, this is 9th grade. In the course listing under 9th grade, you can see that the English course is titled English 9 Honors, and the student received a B+. Going over to our SRAR, we will adjust the exact course title in our SRAR account to say English 9 Honors. Also, double check that the grade taken says 9th grade, and the course level is adjusted to Honors. As there is one final grade, we will keep the course length at full year and adjust the grade to what is reported on the transcript, a B+. As we continue and look at 10th grade, 2017-2018 school year, the student took English 2 Honors for a full year grade of an A-. Once you go through each grade and each academic area, scroll to the bottom and click Save Courses, and then Continue Course Entry. This will bring you back to the Enter Coursework page, and you can see this coursework added to your current coursework section. The currently entered coursework is how you can verify that all of your coursework was entered, including physical education, art, health, and any electives. Each area should mirror your transcript exactly. Let's now go to 9th grade, which in this example is the 2017-2018 school year, so we can add courses. To do this, click on the green pencil icon. This is how you can edit any of the courses you just entered. To edit a previous course, click on that class's green pencil. Now make your edit and select Save Changes. If you need to move a math class from 9th to 10th grade, select the course and select Move Selected Courses. Finally, click OK, and it will now be with that year. Now we'll show you how to add an individual class using a physical education and our transcript as an example. Similar to entering core coursework, you'll see the following sections laid out a little differently. Those sections being subject area, generic course title, course name, course level, course length, and grade. Subject area is where you put the subject of the course or elective that was not entered in the core coursework section. Is it art, photography, or psychology? Physical education, perhaps? If unique, you can select Other, but you should use the options provided as much as possible. For this example, we're selecting Physical Education, Health, Gym. For generic course title, you'll see a generalized name for the course. For this class, we'll want to choose Physical Education. In the course name section, put the exact name of the course as it is recorded on the transcript. On this example transcript, the course is listed as Physical Education, so you don't need to make an adjustment. However, if the transcript said Dance as the name of the PE course you took in 9th grade, you would enter that specific name here. Next is course level. Here you can record if the course is honors, advanced, international baccalaureate, or college placement. If you are taking dual enrollment courses at a college, you will list the course here as dual enrollment. Copy what is listed on your transcript. If nothing is listed with the course, 9 times out of 10, it is standard. But ask your school counselor if you have questions. You should choose standard if you do not know. For course length, remember, we only need final grades, so you'll want to select the option for how often you receive a final grade. As mentioned earlier in this video, this section will default to what you selected as course length when adding your high school. In this example, though, the student took PE for a single marking period. How do we know? See here on the transcript. The PE class only has 0.5 credits. In this case, you would adjust the default to say, single marking period. Now I'll enter the grade and make sure that the credit unit count is the same. If the student earned a 0.5 credit for this class, I can edit it here. Lastly, make sure it mirrors the class listing on your transcript and click Save Course. You will now repeat this as needed for each additional course completed from 9th through 12th grades. For senior year, if you do not have any final grades reported yet, you will select In Progress as your grade.